and also for the charging, the electric vehicle charging facility and other things, and the battery facility. The lithium, for which the mine lithium is needed for that, and for that also we are entering into the agreement with the many countries, and through NALCO also we are trying to have an understanding with other countries to get Kabul would have created Khanij Videsh Limited, and that is trying to acquire from the foreign countries where the lithium and other precious mines are available. One grid, one rank, one pension, and today it is one nation, one constitution. That is the achievement, and Ayushman Bharat is one of the biggest, the world's biggest health program for the poorest among the poor of the country, and they have already reached, aims to reach around 50 crores, and now around 50 lakh people have been benefited with this Ayushman Bharat. UM has met more than twice, and very shortly we are going to meet once again. And officers are also working very seriously about this issue, and we will come to conclusion. And previously there was no UN, there was no senior ministers involved in this. Now all the senior ministers are also involved, and the problem will be solved very short.
When you talk
8 crores, whatever the target, this is completed now. And I can quote you a figure. Somewhere in the 1950-55, we started the concept of LPG, that was the cooking, domestic LPG, and in almost 60 years, the LPG connectivity the household was around 13 crores, and in 5 years, 100 days, that is in 63 months, we have completed 8 crores. Today, 8 crore people almost in some of the states and in some of the districts, we can declare it smoke free. That is the achievement of Shri Modi today. And electricity connectivity to all. This is also, as far as all the villages in the country, we have completed around 18,000 odd in the last year itself. Now, unconnected households, we are continuing to do that. Another important decision in this 100 days we have taken is the creation of Jal Shakti Mantralaya, the Ministry of Jal Shakti, and through this Jal Shakti Mantralaya, Har Ghar Nal Jal means piped water to the all households in the country. Probably in some, I don't know what is the status in Goa, but as far as many states, including my own state, Karnataka, they are not getting the piped water even today, and they are depending on the groundwater, the borehole water. Sometimes it is not even potable also. So government has decided to supply through this Jal Shakti Mantralaya Har Jal Nal Jal. All households will get the water through the pipe, that is pure drinking water, and 3.5 lakh crore is earmarked in the budget. This is already rolled out. The program is rolled out. State governments have been assigned the job to work out and cause it, arrange for the tender and other things wherever it is needed. And the water source also they have been asked to identify the water source and to arrange this. 3.5 lakh crores is earmarked. The first term of Shri Modi was one nation, one tax.